While we all try to develop healthy eating habits, food alone isn't enough to provide nutrients for our body because बढ़ती उम्र के साथ-साथ our body's ability to absorb nutrients from food decreases. That's where multivitamins come in. Hi guys, मैं हूं निया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूं 5 multivitamins for women over 30. पर उससे पहले you guys know what you have to do. Make sure that you subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and also ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. And now let's begin. अब इन multivitamins के बारे में बात करने से पहले it is very important to figure out which vitamin की deficiency you have. For that of course you will have to get your levels checked with your doctor and also ask your doctor about the correct dosage of the multivitamins that you need to consume. The first multivitamin that is a must for women over 30 is calcium. Now remember that women have thinner and smaller bones in comparison to men. And estrogen, which is a hormone that protects the bone, decreases sharply with each passing year, which leads to calcium deficiency. इसीलिए it is important for women over 30s to consume foods that are rich in calcium such as spinach, okra, chia seeds, almonds, broccoli and dairy products. But calcium can only reach its full bone building capacity if you have enough vitamin D in your body. Now vitamin D is essential because it helps your body effectively absorb calcium. That doesn't mean that you need to go out and step out in the sun and sit there for many hours because that could actually do more damage to your skin and your health in general. Rather, consume foods that are rich in vitamin D such as mushroom, egg yolk, orange juice and salmon. Now you might be wondering that why can't I eat these foods and not take the supplement? Well, the answer is that in order to ensure that your body gets the optimal levels of vitamin D and calcium, you will have to micromanage your daily diet, and that is not possible given our hectic lifestyles. Which is why your safest bet is to consume bone building supplements like calcium and vitamin D. The next multivitamin that you should consider for yourself is omega-3. Now, omega-3 is important because it has fatty acids that maintain a healthy heart. But औरतों के लिए omega-3 offers a different set of very special benefits like it eases menstrual pain, it also eases pain related to arthritis, and because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it is going to reduce acne, dry and itchy skin. Some foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids are seafoods, nuts like flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts, and plant oils like soybean and canola oil. But the main reason why you should be adding omega-3 supplements in your daily nutrition is because our bodies cannot produce omega-3 fatty acids on its own. And if you're not a seafood or nut or seed eater, then that is going to cause omega-3 deficiencies. Which is why your safest bet is to add omega-3 supplements as a part of your daily nutrition. The next multivitamin that you should consider for yourself is vitamin B. Did you know an active woman burns more than 2000 calories in a day? Yes, that's absolutely true. And now you may ask, doing what? Well, exercising, doing work presentations, doing laundry and whatnot. इसीलिए vitamin B is important for women as it helps produce the right amount of energy that one needs in order to meet the demand of everyday life. Among the few types of vitamin B, B6, B12 and B7 are super important for women. So vitamin B6 is going to ensure that your brain functions well so that it can convert food into energy and thereby it will help maintain a good metabolism rate. Now vitamin B12 is super important for pregnant and new mothers because this is going to help produce red blood cells which are super important for your baby. Now it's going to transfer through placenta into the fetus when you're pregnant and after giving birth it's going to transfer through breast milk. साथ ही pregnancy के बाद a lot of women experience hair loss. Consuming B7 which is biotin is going to make sure that this hair loss stops and also it is going to improve the quality of your hair. Foods that are rich in vitamin B are legumes, sunflower seeds, chicken, spinach and much more. But while you can't monitor the regular consumption and adequate consumption of vitamin B in your daily nutrition, what you can do is take a vitamin B supplement. The next multivitamin that you should consider for yourself is vitamin C. Being the multitaskers that we are, we tend to miss out on taking some very important daily supplements in our diet. Take vitamin C for instance. It is super important for women and I often call it the internal sunscreen. This antioxidant is essential for collagen production. वैसे तो our body naturally produces collagen, but बढ़ती उम्र के साथ-साथ the production of this particular substance decreases. And ये decrease होने के वजह से you will experience problems such as wrinkles and fine lines. So in order to keep these pesky problems away, you need to make sure to consume vitamin C supplements. Some foods that are super rich in vitamin C are kakadu plums, guavas, blackcurrant, parsley, thyme and lemon. But because vitamin C is water soluble, it cannot be stored in your body, and that is precisely why you need to consume vitamin C supplements. The next multivitamin that you should consider for yourself is iron. Did you know women need more iron than men in order to make up for the loss of iron during periods? Sadly, that's true. This in turn can affect the iron content in our body, which is why you will notice that औरतों में iron deficiencies की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है. Now, iron deficiency होने के कारण you could face things such as anemia, which can result in tiredness, fatigueness, and even breathlessness. इस कमी को compensate करने के लिए you need to ensure to eat foods that are rich in iron, such as lentils, beans, peas, pumpkins, cashews, raisins, apricots, and pine nuts. पर अगर आपका मंथली ब्लड फ्लो बहुत हैवी है, देन तो इट इज सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू कंज्यूम एन आयरन सप्लीमेंट। तो ये थे 5 मल्टीविटामिन्स फॉर वुमेन ओवर 30। आई एम श्योर ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको पता चला होगा व्हाई दे आर ऑफन रिफर्ड टू एज न्यूट्रिशन इन अ पिल। अब जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें एंड ऑल्सो हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लगे हाथ रिंग द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन स्टे अपडेटेड विद आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय गाइस।